Alpha trade report for October 5th, 2017. Again, new all-time highs right here. We're almost at our high of 255, which we predicted before we would see the next rollover. So definitely expect to see a rollover, possible consolidation phase right here. I drew on a pink arrow to represent our general prediction, what we would expect before we'd have the next bounce. We are still long-term bullish given these all-time highs, so we will continue adding to our longs. Next are the Qs, KKQ. We had a new all-time high again, still trending up, definitely very strong bullish. Next, we have the FAANG stocks. First, there's Facebook. Facebook, even though it's been very bullish and this very strong uptrend for several years, we are within this consolidation phase. So long term, we're definitely bullish. Short term, mid-term, it's definitely questionable given this consolidation right here. But we do expect over the next 1 or 2 months, the price generally just continue up. Next, we have Amazon. So Amazon's also in a consolidation phase of about 5 months. Actually, price hasn't gone anywhere. We do have a all-time high here of about 1080, which will probably continue being the all-time high for the next 3, 4, 5, possibly even 6 months. Generally, we are long-term bullish. Amazon is definitely turning up. Fundamentals are definitely very good as well. But mid-term, short-term, it's just not tradable right now for us. Next, we have Apple. So Apple is also long-term bullish. It's been trending up for about 1.5 years now, and it's right now on this trend line. And it appears to be rolling back up from this recent pullback here. We had a new good green powerful candle here, bullish candle. So we would actually recommend going long if you like on expectation it'll continue up for the next 2 months here. So Apple is definitely bullish short, mid, and long term right now. Next we have Netflix for the FAANG stocks. Netflix, we had a new all-time high, and it's also very, very bullish because it's been in a strong uptrend for about 1.5 years, 2 years. Made almost a, I believe it's what, 200, 300% profit right here. So definitely very good in the last year, very bullish. And lastly, we have Google. So Google is also in a consolidation phase of about 5 months right now, consolidation after this large gap up. We have no idea when this consolidation will end. It could last another 2, 3 months. But long term, it's just been going up for years and years. So Google is definitely very bullish. It's definitely in a strong long-term uptrend. Short-term, mid-term, we're just not going to guess on it right now. So lastly, we have a trade that we entered in, NLNK. So on the 29th, members were alerted to go long at close on this green candle here, on expectation that price will go up. However, on the 4th, yesterday, the company announced that it will do a common share offering, which is a somewhat bearish corporate event. Usually when that happens, about 3 out of 4 times, you get a reaction, you get a pullback, and we're very concerned that our stocks will get just stopped out. So we issued an alert at the open to just exit the trade. So if you had exited at the open, you would have made approximately 7% profit, which is relatively small for what we're expecting. However, for the very first hour after the open, the price went straight from 11 to 13. So if you were lucky, if you were a little slow in entering that exit, if it took you, say, half an hour to an hour, you could have possibly made up to 25% profit. It's anywhere between 7 and 25% on NLNK. We are still positive on this trade. We're going to watch it for a possible re-entry. We're just going to figure out what happens with the common share offering before we re-enter. So that concludes the trade report for October 5th, 2017.